にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 50 of JLPT N4. And this is the third part of 移行形. This is the verb of the volition. Today's video is about 移行形 and と思います. And I will explain と思っています in the next video. You already know that 思います this is the verb to think. So to think about doing this verb. As you already know, 移行形 is the verb to express your volition. So not every verb can use with 移行形. For example, できます this is not possible. Because できます it means I can do something. But this is already I can do something. So I'm gonna be able to do something. In Japanese, this is not possible with できます. It means instead of できます, we must change to the verb します. In this case, 移行形 is しよう. I'm gonna do it. しよう. Or やります. やろう. Other example, 降ります. Like 雪が降ります. 雨が降ります. It snows. It rains. This is not possible to make 移行形 because this is not to express volition. It means this is not correct to say できよう no and either 降ろう it doesn't exist. So usually the verb must be transitive to be able to change to 移行形 because I'm gonna do something. Someone does something. So the transitive verb. For example, something が始まる、始まります。This is intransitive. So we can't change to 移行形、始まろうと。This is not correct. But 始める、始めます。This is transitive verb. Something を始める。I begin something. So 始めよう。let's begin. I buy a new cell phone. Or I'm gonna buy a new cell phone. This sentence we can express very well in mass form. 新しい携帯を買います。新しい携帯を買います。When we use present tense 買います the mass form, then this means the present tense and also the future tense. Now the second, the same sentence but using 移行形。新しい携帯買おう。新しい携帯買おう。When we use 移行形, then this can mean two things. The first one, let's buy a new cell phone, okay? And the second meaning is, I'm talking to myself. I'm gonna buy it. Now the third, 3番目. In this case, I'm gonna use 移行形 and と思います。新しい携帯を買おうと思います。新しい携帯を買おうと思います。In English, I think I'll buy a new cell phone. So we use this 移行形と思います。It's to express my thoughts, my volition to other person. When we use only 移行形, and this is kind of my monologue. I'm thinking it myself. I'm saying it loud. 買おう like this. So I'm not telling to anyone, but 買おうと思います. In this case, I'm expressing my volition to you or to other people. 4番目、移行形 or 移行形 plus と思います。This, we only use the first person, I or we. Let's buy or I'm gonna buy. But never we can use it. The third person, never. As we can't use this form with third person, so if I wanna say, my little sister thinks in buying a new cell phone, and we can't say with this grammar of today. 5番目. Now this is the case of the second person. It means you. We can use 移行形と思います in the second person, but only in the question form. It means, do you think in buying a new cell phone? 新しい携帯を買おうと思いますか？新しい携帯を買おうと思いますか？新しい携帯を買おうと思う？ However, you can't say this sentence in affirmative sentence because I don't know your volition. あなたは新しい携帯を買おうと思います。これは間違いです。ダメですよ。When with the second person and 移行形と思います。In the question, in this case, that can mean, do you dare to? New cell phone is expensive, but even so, do you dare to buy it? 今、新しい携帯は高いですよ。それでも買おうと思いますか？今、新しい携帯は高いですよ。それでも買おうと思いますか？ Nevertheless, despite, and even so, still, それでも or you can also say それでも now, それでも now. This is a conjunction. Number 6, 6番目. Now in this time we are going to use 辞書形 dictionary form and と思います。We've already learned this in my JLPT N5 video. When we use with the dictionary form and と思います, it means I think I buy it. But not so sure, but I think I buy it like this. But when we use 移行形 and this is I express my volition. I think I'm gonna buy it. So this is more sure. And dictionary form と思います。Not so sure. I suppose I'm gonna buy a new cell phone. 新しい携帯を買う。新しい携帯を買うと思います。新しい携帯を買うと思います。Now, other example with other sentence. I'm gonna quit smoking. タバコをやめます。1番目 as I used やめます must form, it means I quit smoking or I'm gonna quit smoking in the future. The second, now with 移行形 I'm gonna quit タバコやめよう In this sentence, I'm talking to myself. 3番目 in this case 移行形 plus と思います This means I'm gonna express my thought, my volition to other people. I think to quit smoking. タバコをやめようと思います。タバコをやめようと思います。タバコやめようと思う。4番目 It's not possible to use the third person 移行形と思います。So I can't say in this grammar My father thinks of quitting smoking. It's not possible. So the sentence I'm gonna say now, it's incorrect. お父さんはタバコをやめようと思います。これは間違いです。But please don't get worried. I'm gonna explain how you can say it in the next video. But today, I'm explaining about 移行形と思います。In this grammar pattern, this is not possible to use with third person. 5番目 In this case, the second person, you. And in this case, we can use this grammar form, but in the question form. タバコをやめようと思いますか？タバコやめようと思う？ 6番目 Number 6 In this case, I'm gonna use dictionary form and と思います In this case, not so sure, but I think I'm gonna quit. Maybe, I suppose タバコをやめると思います タバコをやめると思います。タバコやめると思う。I forgot to explain you before. In this case, dictionary form と思います。Then I can use the third person in like this way. I think my father is going to quit smoking. Anyway, the subject is I think. But then I can use my father in the second one. I think that my father is gonna quit smoking. お父さんはタバコをやめる。タバコをやめると思います。お父さんはタバコをやめると思います。お父さんはタバコやめると思うよ。In this sentence, I omitted the subject 私は because it sounds more natural without 私は。Next example. Tomorrow I'm going to Disneyland. 1番目 and this is the mass form and I'm only tell you the future. 明日ディズニーランドへ行きます。明日ディズニーランドへ行きます。Now with 行こう形 in this case there are two meanings. The first one, let's go tomorrow. Or the second meaning, I'm going. So this is talking to myself. 明日ディズニーランドへ行こう。明日ディズニーランド行こう。明日ディズニーランドへ行こう。The third, in this case, 行こう形 and と思います。It is to express my volition to other people. I think I'm going to Disneyland tomorrow. 明日ディズニーランドへ行こうと思います。明日ディズニーランド行こうと思います。4番目。We can't use with a third person 行こう形と思います。So I'm going to make a sentence. It's not possible. 5番目。In this case, with the second person 行こうと思います。This is possible in the question form and the meaning is in many times, do you dare to? It will snow tomorrow. But even so, do you dare to go to Disneyland? 明日、雪が降りますよ。それでも、ディズニーランドへ行こうと思いますか？明日雪が降りますよ。それでもディズニーランドへ行こうと思いますか？ 6番目。In this occasion, we're gonna use dictionary form 辞書形 and と思います。instead of 移行形と思います。And when we use 辞書形, this is I think I'll go. So not so sure like 行こうと思います。行こう with 移行形 with much more my wish is stronger. But 行く辞書形 this is maybe I think yeah I suppose. Even it snows tomorrow, I guess we are going to Disneyland. 明日、雪が降っても、ディズニーランドへ行くと思います。明日、雪が降ってもディズニーランドへ行くと思います。Now let's see more examples, but only with 行こう形と思います。I think I'll go on a diet, but from tomorrow. 明日からダイエットしようと思います。明日からダイエットしようと思います。I think I'll go to bed early tonight. 今晩早く寝よう。今晩早く寝ようと思います。今晩早く寝ようと思います。I think I'll bring children to art gallery today. 今日子供たちを展覧会に連れて行こうと思います。今日子供たちを展覧会へ連れて行こうと思います。I think I'll study much more this year. 今年もっと 勉強しようと思います。今年もっと勉強しようと思います。Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese, and I want you to use always 行こう系と思います。1番目 If it doesn't rain, I think I'll bring my child to the amusement park. The amusement park or theme park, we say 遊園地 to bring someone to some place 連れて行きます。連れて行きます。2番目 I think I'll eat a delicious pizza with my girlfriend in a famous Italian restaurant tonight. In Japanese, we write pizza, this one, pizza. 3番目、最後です。I think I'll learn by heart one kanji each day. The verb to learn by heart or to remember. 覚えます。I'd really like you to watch my vocabulary video number 37. Vocabulary number 37. And I explain about the difference between 覚えます、覚えています and 思い出します。I hope you could understand very well how to use 移行形 the volition and と思います。In the next video, I'm going to explain you about と思っています。If you think this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you'll help me a lot. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can learn Japanese with me. いかがでしたか？今日は移行形を使ってその後にと思いますという文型を勉強しました。次回はと思っていますもやりますよ。この文型では自分がやろうと思っていることを人に伝えるときに使える文型です。このように私のチャンネルでは日本語を詳しく優しく説明していますから、皆さんの日本語がどんどん上手になっていくと思いますよ。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そしてできれば私のビデオをお友達に紹介してください。本当に助かります。少しでも多くの方々に日本語を理解していただければ、もう日本がもっと好きになると思うし、日本に旅行するときだってもっと楽しくなると思いますよ。そしてもしもう日本に住んでいらっしゃる外国人の方々だったら、もうこのビデオを見てからすぐその後実践できると思います。これからも頑張っていきますから、ぜひ応援してください。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てください。じゃあね、またね、バイバイ。